Welcome to Lion Analytics, where we make your analytics roar. Tableau is packed with hidden gems, powerful features most people overlook. Here are 5 super easy tricks you're probably not using, but absolutely should. Here we have a very simple table using World Indicator's sample data source. It has around 2,700 rows. From data analytics standpoint, it should be a small data set. Let's say you'd need to export this table into Excel for further analysis. Naturally, you'd go to Worksheet, Export, and click Crosstab to Excel. The only issue is it's extremely slow. In fact, it's so slow and sometimes even run into errors, I would almost never suggest using it. For less than 3,000 rows, it took Tableau around 40 seconds to export to Excel. Instead, just create a new Excel file. Head back to the workbook, click on Worksheets, then Copy, then Crosstab. Go back to the newly created Excel file, click on A1 cell. In this example, I did Ctrl+V to paste, and done. It's that easy. Here we have our previously exported data table. For this exercise, I have filtered them just to Asia. Select the first column, second row, all the way to the last bottom, and copy the entire list, excluding the header. Head back to Tableau, drag the country/region dimension from rows by holding Ctrl. This will duplicate the pill and place country/region into filters, while keeping it in rows as well. Click on Custom Value List and click on the search bar. Paste the list you copied just now, and the entire list will be pasted in. Duplicated fields will be automatically removed. But beware, since it is filtering to exactly what your lists were, if there was any typos, difference in capital letters, or additional spaces in your list, it will not filter correctly. Here we have a simple dashboard. It has a horizontal container at the outer layer, and nested inside there is a vertical container. Let's say we'd like to have just one horizontal line between the two smaller horizontal containers. We can easily do so by dragging a blank object in between them. Head to Layout, change outer padding to 0. Select your desired background. Then hit the caret drop-down button at the top right of the blank object. Select Edit Height. Change it to 1 or 2 to make it look like a single spacing line. You can also make a vertical line using the exact same method. This time, dragging a blank object in between vertical containers. The remaining steps are exactly the same. Make sure your containers do not have Distribute Contents Evenly selected. It will not work if that is selected. You will have a hard time clicking the lines we created within the dashboard. Thankfully, you can still find them as blank objects in the item hierarchy. You'll be able to re-edit their width and change the background colors as needed using this method. For better searchability, you could also rename the blank objects, so you'll remember them in the future. Moving on to a quick one. Ever struggle to get to the container you want to format? Struggling to find them under the item hierarchy section at the bottom right? This quick tip is for you. Turns out you can select any worksheet under the container and double-click the gray tab on top. Tableau will automatically select the container that the worksheet was nested under. Double-clicking the blue tab on top of the container will let you select the container on top of the existing one. You'll be able to now select the containers you'd like to format in just a few clicks. Now for some tips on mouse click shortcuts. In this simple bar chart, we are trying to add a label in the marks section. In this case, we are just trying to add sum of sales into the label. If we just drag the sum of sales pill into it, we will just be moving the pill. Instead, what we can do is hold down Ctrl and then drag it. This will duplicate the pill and have it show up in both places. Holding down Ctrl and clicking multiple fields will give you the ability to select multiple fields at the same time. And if you hold down Shift and click on the last field you are trying to select, it will select all continuous rows to the last field you selected. Lastly, instead of just left-clicking and drag a field over, if you both left-click and right-click at the same time, and then drag over the pill, it will provide you a list of fields that you can drop from, ranging from discrete to continuous measures. Hopefully, these tricks helped you. Comment down below if you didn't know about these tricks, or even better, share with us on what other tricks you got. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thanks for watching,